Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So I know I ain't been on my game, y'all. I've been missing in action. And I wasn't going to do a video today because I just have like a really sore throat. But I've been drinking tea all day and taking Mucinex. And hopefully tomorrow I'm good. So in today's video, I am going to be trying out. I just did order my first order from Beauty Bakery. And I ordered the flour powder in yellow and the Wake and Bake baking oil. And I'm super excited, y'all. And I'm not going to tell y'all how I feel about these products yet, because I want you guys to watch the video and see the whole process. But I give y'all, I'll let y'all know in the video. But this is also a wear test video, so I'm testing out the wear of the, well, I mean the oil, not really testing out the oil, the wear of the oil. But the powder, I want to know if it's going to crease or if it's going to crack or what's going to go on underneath my eyes. But yeah, so we're testing out that today. But if you guys would like to see how I got this bomb face, not the eyes, but this bomb face, giving you face, okay, then continue to watch. Okay, so we're starting this off clean face. And Miss Pimple over here wanted to say hi. I got this big dumb pimple on my cheek. So, as you guys can tell from the title, whatever I titled this video, is going to say something about Beauty Bakery. I got my package yesterday. So, I got the, what is this? The flour, Beauty Bakery flour in the color yellow. I think that's the color. It's their setting powder. And then I got the baking oil. So this is the powder. And I got it in yellow. That's the color. And this is the oil. So yeah, we're going to be trying these two out today. So that's why my eye makeup is already done. Lashes are on. But my face is hella dry because I have been using my Nivea cream, but I didn't want to put anything on. I just wanted to put this oil on to moisturize. So, and let's, oh, crap. It dripped right on my boob. All right, let's try that again. Okay. Do it all cute. I think I'm gonna need more than, so I use 5 because, so, oh my God. Ooh, it's going into my eye makeup. Get that real quick. Oh my God, this smells super good. It smells so sweet. Like, oh, I can't think of what it smells like. I think that was a bad idea to put that on my forehead. Oh, I'm trying to think of what it smells like. It's gonna drive me crazy. Okay. Face feeling nice. I need some chapstick because these lips is ashy too. Yo, I've been loving this Glossier. I don't really know how to pronounce it, but it's the Mint Balm, mintbalm.com. This thing is thick and right, and I exfoliated my lips, so it feels super smooth. I might have put on a little too much. All right, so I tried the other day for the first time to powder my face before foundation, and y'all, pores weird. Like, I had no pores. Now, if y'all know our girl Jackie Aina, she like, that's what she does. Like, that's like the most important step in her makeup routine is to powder her face after primer and before foundation. Now, it's usually best for like oily skin girls because you know you get a little bit too oily. You need to kind of keep that tamed. But I never thought to use it for me because I have dry skin and that's just gonna make my skin look drier and cakier. But I didn't put it all over my face. I just put it where I have large pores, which is right here in my cheek area. Like, my face looked flawless. So I'm gonna try, I tried that with the Laura Mercier powder. I'm gonna try that with the flower setting powder by Beauty Bakery. So I'm gonna take my sponge. It's like a little damp. So I'm gonna take the bottom part of it and dip it into that powder.
Okay, there we go.
All right, so we're done with that. Let's close this up until we have to set the concealer. Now for foundation, y'all know I'm about to use my Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I've been loving using this like powder brush. This is BH Cosmetic and it's my Ray Ray's collab and it's the #1. And I just been like blending my foundation out with this. I want to be like, all I wanted to say was, what you be saying? If y'all know where that came from, comment below.
What you talking about?
It's this YouTuber. I'm not going to say her name because I want y'all to guess. But her catchphrase is like, what you was saying?
I know.
Oh my God, now my brush smell like that oil. Oh, it's so amazing. All right. So we're good to go. What are you laughing for?
Her name LeBron's Dreams.
Oh, Jackie?
Yeah.
Yes. Jacket. Yes, love her. She really put Beauty Bakery on, for real. So I'm trying to decide if I want to use my Shape Tape because I haven't used this in a while. I actually used that to cut my crease. Or do I want to use my Nars? Like, which one do I use? Which one? You know what? I've been using my Nars so much. Let's use the Shape Tape. We about to use this Shape Tape. The Shape Tape, I feel like, is a little bit too light. But it's workable. Oh my God. I feel like I'm regretting it already. Just get that thing wet. Just a little bit wetter. That sounds dirty. And the way I said it, just a little bit wetter.
I'm not gonna get that too much because I think this stuff be trying to come for you. So let me hurry up and blend. Cause you're not about to stay put on my face the way you is. No sorry, Shape Tape.
I mean, it looks good on camera, but I don't know how it looks in person. I'm gonna add a little bit of my Nars concealer because it'll make me feel better. Now I'm gonna set, and I want to go back in with the flower. I'm gonna use what I use regularly, and that is another Ray's brush, the #4. I love this for powder. So I'm gonna do the rest of my face off camera, and then I'll be right back. Okay, beauties, so all done. I contoured. I will try to remember to list everything in the description box because I know I've been falling off with not putting the products in the description box, but this time I will make sure I remember. And if I don't, please call me out in the comments like, sis, where are the products, you know? But this is the final look. So I love this powder, all right? Now, you can see my pores just a little bit. Just like a little bit. But I, first of all, love the smell of this oil. Like, I don't know what it is. It's like Skittles or like Starburst. I don't know. But this oil right here is bomb. So I'm going to wear it throughout the day. I'm gonna come back to you guys at the end of the day. Well, in a couple of hours. It's like 3 something right now, and so I'm going to come back in a couple hours just to see, you know, if it creases, which it doesn't look like it is going to crease, but I have like creases under my eyes anyway, like you guys can see that line right there. So I don't mind that creasing just a little, like a little bit, because it's normal for even when I use my Laura Mercier. It's just normal. But yeah, I just want to check it out. By the way, y'all see that pimple? It's a beauty mark now, okay? It's not a pimple. It's a beauty mark. So yeah, I'm going to see you guys in a couple hours. Okay, beauties, so it is the end of the night. All right, so I brought you guys in a little closer. And my under eye looks nice. I actually did not crease that much. Okay, this eye creased a little bit. Can you guys see that? Just like a little. This overall, it still looks really nice. Everything's still on. Pores, they're right. I don't feel like I look super dry, but I haven't sprayed anything since. I haven't touched anything up at all. Well, we're only really talking about the powder, and I love it. I love it. This powder, it gets a 10 out of 10. All right, guys, so this is the final look, and honestly, I love this powder. I'm going to go buy more. I need backups for my backups because this really sells out really fast. So yeah, this is bomb. So I'm gonna show you guys a clip, and here is the clip of me with my shades on that I ordered from Unicorneyewear, you guys. So they contacted me on Instagram probably actually last month, and said they wanted to partner up with me and wanted me to be a part of their collab program, which is basically like being affiliated with them, and I would get shades, and also they gave me a coupon code, and these shades are bomb. I'll put the link to the shades and a link to the website down in the description box. And if you guys want some monies off, use my discount code ANNAB. I'll put it in the description box. And you get 20% off. Thank you, beauties, for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to thumbs this video up, subscribe, comment, and share. And I will see you beauties in the next one. Love.